Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to install the Java Development Kit, JDK, on the Windows operating system. If you're watching this video, most likely you have already tried to install Java JKD, but something didn't work for you. That's why our video will show a detailed step-by-step setup of JDK. Let's begin. We will start with a common prompt. Open the Windows search, which can be found on the taskbar in our case. Type in the three letters CMD. Once you enter the letters, you should be able to see the common prompt in the search results. Click on it. A black window will open where we can check if the Java JDK is already installed or not. To do this, we need to enter a simple command, Java version, and press enter. Once we do that, we will see a message saying Java command is not recognized. This means that Java JDK is not installed. Now let's proceed to download and install it. Open your browser and search for Java JDK. At the top of the search results, you should be able to find Java downloads on the Oracle website. Click on it. This will take you to the Oracle page where you will find various options and information. We need the newest version of the JDK, which should be selected by default. In our case, it is JDK 20, highlighted with a small green line. By default, the operating system is Linux, but we need Windows. So, click on the Windows option. You will see three file options to download. We need the x64 installer, so click on the link and download the file. Once the file is downloaded, open it. This will open the Java JDK installation window. The installation process is straightforward, with minimal options to select. Simply click the Next buttons. Java has a default directory, local disk C, program files folder. We recommend leaving it as the default option as it will simplify the installation process. The installation is very fast. Once it is done, the last window will open and so you can close it. The easiest part is done. Now we need to do some more configuration. We need to set environment variables, and we will take a longer route. Enter Control Panel in the Windows search bar, which should be the first search result. Open it. The Control Panel view will open, and you should be able to see System and Security as the first option. If you don't see this icon, you may need to change your view settings to the category view. Once the category view will be selected, click on System and Security. Next, we need the System settings. Click on the blue screen icon. Now, the System Information window is open. We need to access the Advanced System settings. This is why the operating system is called Windows. There are thousands of windows to navigate. The one we need is called System Properties, and you will find an Environment Variables button at the bottom. Click on it. Finally, we have found the window we needed, the Environment Variable window. But our journey is not over yet. We can take a short break for coffee because we'll still need to navigate through several windows. To set new Java variables, we need the path of the Java files. Once again, we will take the longer route. Click on the Windows button on the taskbar. In the Apps menu, you need to locate the File Explorer icon and click on it. This will open the This PC window where you can see your disk C. Click on it. Next, we need to find the folder where Java is installed. In our case, it was the default path, so we need to open the Program Files folder. Inside the Program Files folder, you should be able to find the Java folder. Open it. There, you will see a folder name JDK along with its version. Open that folder. And finally, we arrive at the last folder in our long journey, the bin folder. It should be at the top. Open it. Now we need to copy the path of this folder to add it to the Windows variables. Click on the folder's breadcrumbs and the path will be selected. Copy it. Go back to the environment variable screen. Look for the path variable in the bottom section. Select it and click on the Edit button or simply double-click on it. The Edit Environment Variable screen will open. Click on the New button in the right panel. Paste the copied path of the Java bin folder. This step is crucial. After pasting the path, click on the OK button. If you simply close the window or click Cancel, the variable won't be saved, so make sure to click OK. Now we need to add a user variable. Click on the New button at the top. The new user variable window will open. Enter the variable name as Java Home in all capital letters, and then add the variable value. You can paste the same path to the Java folder, but with one crucial difference. You shouldn't include the bin folder in the variable value. Your variable value should look like this, with a JDK version at the end, but without the bin folder. Now click OK. It is essential to click OK to save the changes. Otherwise, they won't be applied. And the last time, you need to click OK on the environment variable dialog. If you don't click OK as the last step, all your progress will be lost and you will need to start from scratch. So make sure to click OK button. Now let's go back to where we started, the command prompt. Open it again and enter the same command, Java version. Unfortunately, you may receive the same message as before, stating that the Java command is not recognized. Don't be sad or angry and don't rush. Simply restart your computer. Restarting may not be required. Sometimes opening a new command prompt is enough. However, it is better to restart your computer to ensure everything is properly refreshed. Once you open the command prompt again and enter the same command Java version, you should be able to see the magical words Java version 20 in our case. This means that Java has been successfully installed. That's all from our side. We hope we were able to help you. Relax, drink some coffee, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next video.